AI just designed 16 new viruses. None of them exist in nature. AI just went beyond tweaking genes. AI has now designed 16 functional bacteriophages from scratch. None of them exist anywhere in nature. Researchers used AI models called EVO1 and EVO2 to design these new viruses. Here's how these AI bots got so damn good at making viruses. EVO1 and EVO2 are trained on nearly 9 trillion letters of genetic code pulled from millions of real organisms. Their task was to generate the complete genome of a bacteriophage. A bacteriophage is a virus that infects bacteria rather than human cells. The AI proposed thousands of possible genome designs. Scientists built and tested about 300 of them in the lab. 16 of them worked. They produced viable phages that could infect their target. Key insights. The most striking result has nothing to do with the viruses themselves. It's that the AI's designs sometimes worked better than nature's own. When researchers mixed the AI-designed phages into a cocktail and put it up against bacteria that had evolved resistance to a natural virus, the AI cocktail rapidly overcame that resistance. A comparable mix of natural phages failed completely. One AI design even combined DNA packaging protein with structural components from a distantly related phage lineage. In other words, the AI was remixing biology and sometimes improving on it. The result was that the AI produced a combination researchers had never seen in nature. Why this matters for you? The researchers deliberately kept human, animal, plant, and fungal viruses out of the AI's training data, specifically so it could not accidentally learn to design something that could hurt a person. Granted, that was the researchers' own choice, rather than a legal requirement. The regulatory framework was not built around AI inventing biological systems that never existed in nature. You might be asking yourself, doesn't all of this seem a little risky? Well, researchers hope this technology can eventually produce new treatments for the superbugs of tomorrow. However, the same tool that builds a cure could, in someone else's hands, build something far worse. Here's the pithy takeaway. For 4 billion years, evolution had a total monopoly on organic design. In a single experiment, an AI model broke that monopoly, remixed the genetic code, and beat nature at its own game. Alright guys, I thank you so much for checking out this issue of Pithy Cyborg AI News Made Simple. I am recording this presentation with my real human voice, and if you want to subscribe, please go to pithycyborg.com, that's Pithy cyborg.com, or just search for Pithy Cyborg on Substack. Thank you so much for checking out this presentation, and I look forward to seeing you in the next issue. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.